Technology permeates every aspect of our lives. We see the emblems of technology everywhere we go. From mobile phones to palm tops, from intelligent homes to e-government. With the internet revolution, mankind is progressing faster than ever before in the history of civilization. In this day and age of the technology-gilded world, change is the only constant. The advancement and exploitation of technology in all areas of modern-day society is the pivotal driving force behind this rapid change. Under the leadership of the Honorable the Chief Justice Yong Pang Hau, the Singapore judiciary has been at the forefront in the use of technology to achieve and maintain the standard of world-class excellence in the dispensation and administration of justice. When Chief Justice Yong Pang Hau came on board as the head of the judiciary in 1990, he had a bold vision of a just and efficient court system held in the highest esteem amongst the people whom it served. At that time, the judiciary was in a dismal state with a huge and fast-growing backlog of cases. Cases took up to 10 years or more to be disposed of. A rigorous and extensive case management regime was established. The beginnings of the use of technology in the courts were taking root, with the conception and design of the computerized case management system. This simple yet practical system contains virtually all the important information and statistics of every action, cause or matter filed in the court. This early computerization effort went a long way in furthering the court's case management strategy, which has been an overwhelming success. There is now no backlog, and most cases are disposed of within a year from the commencement of the action. The pursuit of a judicial system par excellence has led to the birth of several key technological initiatives undertaken over the past decade. The electronic filing system has transformed the whole legal landscape in Singapore. With the click of a mouse, the electronic filing system has changed forever the way court documents are filed and served and the environment in which court proceedings are conducted. The launch of Phase 1.2 of the electronic filing system on 1st March 2000 marked the dawn of a new era in civil litigation, with the compulsory electronic filing of most court documents to both the Supreme Court and the subordinate courts. In 6 phases over the next few years, the electronic filing system, when fully implemented, will cover all criminal and civil litigation processes and comprise the following services. An electronic filing service, which allows court documents to be filed electronically via the internet, directly from law firms or anywhere else in the world using a browser. Alternatively, documents can be filed electronically at the Service Bureau. An electronic extract service, which allows law firms to make online searches on the index of a case file and obtain extracts of court documents. An electronic service of documents service, which allows law firms to serve court documents on multiple law firms electronically. And an electronic information service, which allows law firms to perform search queries on the court's databases online. With the electronic filing system, the court's business workflow in the management of cases and conduct of hearings have been streamlined. The electronic workflow has superseded the endless paper trail. Hearings are now conducted in an electronic environment with electronic case files. All the courtrooms and chambers in the Supreme Court are equipped to handle hearings using electronic documents. The electronic filing system fully exploits the electronic highway to minimize the physical movement of people and paper. The many benefits of the electronic filing system include improving efficiency by minimizing paper flow to shorten case processing time, enabling the courts to be proactive in tracking the lifespan of cases, providing an integrated information system, facilitating faster document filing and retrieval, minimizing loss of documents due to misfiling or non-filing, providing faster response as well as accurate and up-to-date information, enabling concurrent access to the same case file by different parties. The electronic filing system serves the legal community to the fullest by tapping on advanced technology to improve the efficiency of the legal system. The idea of a technology court was born in 1994. In order to develop a judicial system of high efficiency and quality, a courtroom which would allow lawyers to present their cases more effectively was needed. With this in mind, Technology Court 1 was built and launched in July 1995. Since its launch, numerous civil and criminal cases have been heard in Technology Court 1. The success of our first technology court prompted the construction of a second technology court. Technology Court 2 incorporates the latest technologies to provide members of the legal profession with new and better ways of presenting their cases. Using a color touch panel screen, the court officer is able to avail himself of a wide range of control functions. Technology Court 2 houses the most advanced technological features. The audio-visual system allows evidence stored in a wide variety of media to be tendered to court. The video projection system is capable of projecting images from many sources. As many lawyers now store their own records and notes in an electronic form, each counsel is provided with a power outlet and a telephone port. This allows them to use their notebook computers during court proceedings and to connect to the internet or their office systems from the courtroom. Giving evidence is made easier with the use of a video marker system. This allows the judge, witness and counsel to annotate over any image displayed on the screens. With the video conferencing system, testimony can be given from anywhere in the world, leading to savings in both time and costs of litigation. The technology courts in the Supreme Court have made the conduct of court proceedings more effective and economical, not only for the people of Singapore, but also for foreign witnesses and those from around the world who choose to litigate in our jurisdiction. LawNet is an ambitious attempt to build a strategic national information network within the legal sector that forms part of the information technology infrastructure of Singapore. LawNet operates as a one-stop center for various information repositories, including the databases of the Supreme Court, Registry of Companies, and the legislation databases. LawNet was launched on 7th July 1990 with the implementation of an electronic database of the statutes of Singapore. There are 6 modules within its umbrella which cover the major areas of legal practice: legal research, litigation, corporate law, conveyancing, intellectual property, and integrated law office. The judiciary is a major contributor to LawNet. Through this, the legal profession and members of the public are able to obtain information on various matters filed in the courts, including bankruptcy, companies winding up, and awards in assessment of damages. The electronic filing system, the technology courts, LawNet. All these efforts which have propelled the judiciary to the frontiers of the information age will finally culminate in the design and construction of the new Supreme Court complex. When completed, this futuristic and stately building of the Superior Court of the land will boast state-of-the-art features such as fully interactive information kiosks at public areas to provide easy access to information. A multimedia recording system which allows for the recording of court proceedings by way of a digital video recording system. This produces a 3-tier audio, visual and text record of proceedings, real-time transcription will also be used. Wireless presentation facilities in courtrooms and conference rooms, and mobile commerce infrastructure to support mobile information services. Together with the electronic filing system, the technology courts, and LawNet, the vision of a modern, paperless and fully integrated judicial system will finally become a reality. Through its success and achievements in the use of technology, the Singapore judiciary has established itself as a world-class public institution and a model of excellence. We will constantly strive to fulfill the august role and responsibility of the courts to enhance the fair administration of justice, uphold the rule of law, and better meet the needs of the society which we serve into the 21st century and beyond.